So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to insert a pie chart here on Google Docs. Very simple. Go to the top left, press Insert, then scroll down to where it says Charts, and then go ahead and select Pie. Now, once you have your pie chart selected, it's going to upload a chart looking like this. Now, if you want to change the information, go down to the bottom left, press Edit in Sheets, or you can go ahead, press the chart right here, go to where it says Linked Chart, and either open the source, unlink it, or select the link objects right here. If you want to go ahead and change the colors as well and a bunch of different stuff, you can go to Adjustments and Rotation or All Image Options. So, for example, if you wanted to recolor this, you can change the color, do what you got to do. I can change a bunch of different settings right here, and if it all looks good to you, you can also change, the size of it as well. If everything looks good, go ahead and just sort of proceed this way. But pretty simple. That's how you guys can add or insert a pie chart here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.